Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search for YouTube shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, it's easy to find your YouTube short. All you need to do is just to go to the YouTube web app or your web browser, and then you will need just to search for this shorts bar or the shorts tab. And basically for the mobiles, you will find it here in the bottom of your app, and you will need just to click here on the shorts, and basically you will find the shorts here. And for the web browser, you will find it here on the side menu on the left, and basically you will find shorts, and then you will need just to click on it, and then it will take you to the same place to watch the shorts. So uh, those are all the shorts, and basically they are random. But if you want shorts for a specific channel, you will need just to go to this specific channel. For example, let's just choose this channel here, and when we click on it, we will find videos, and basically here we will find shorts. And after that, you can start also like uh, filtering by popular, latest, oldest, etc. And basically you can do this for all the channels or all the shows. And as you can see, you can start just scrolling here, and you will find all the shorts that you would like, and uh, simply that's it. And it's the same for your own for the web browser. You will be able to do the same. You can just click on the channel and then go again to shorts, and you will find the shorts panel. And if you want some channels that you only subscribe to, you can just go to subscription and then just choose the channel again, and you will be able to find it. Or as you can see, it is already there are some filters by clicking on shorts, and you will find shorts of only the channels that you are subscribing to. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.